There are two ways to add a background image to Blender 2.8. First is an image object, and we do that from Add, Image, Reference or Background, browse to the image, select, and open. It will appear facing the camera, so to correct that, Object Properties, where the location, rotation and scale values can be adjusted. The second approach is using an empty image. We do that from Add, Empty, Image, and this will pop a empty object into the scene, which an image can then be loaded into. Object Data Properties, Open, browse to the reference image, select a different one, and open. And that opens our image, albeit quite tiny. We can change its size and its orientation.